Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Completely unplanned this, but we've just been to the charity shops in Kingswood and I picked up a few items. A tractor, digger, what do you want to call that? I don't know, earth mover. I did think I could very quickly put a rubber band on that and make it rubber band powered. I was also wondering about making it radio controlled for a bit of fun, so I'll see about that. That one cost me 99 pence. We'll leave that one for a second. Picked up another one of those wooden kits. I've actually done this one before. Either I did it or my grandson did it. I do remember it because it's got a rather unfortunate bit of wood sticking out between his legs there. Yeah, I don't know if the camera's seeing that. Anyway, I'll put that one in the back of the car so I can do that when I've got nothing else to do. And then finally, this thing. Now I haven't opened it to check what's inside. Again, 99 pence. Air Hogs Zip Wing battery powered glider. So I'll put the hat camera on rather than holding it in my hand, and we'll have a look inside the box. If we're really lucky and it's in good condition, we might even go and try flying it. Well, that looks okay, doesn't it? In fact, that looks like it's never been used. For optimal flight, please see the user instructions. Rather nice looking wings. It would be nice to fly this without breaking it, wouldn't it? I suppose I could look at the instructions. I think 99 pence for something that looks like it's never been used is probably good value. That's the fin. Shan't be putting all the stickers on it. Okay, looks like we might need a screwdriver. The battery box. Luckily, I have some screwdrivers. The question is, how long does it fly for? Propeller will spin for approximately 10 seconds and then turn off. That's what I like to hear. So it's got a 10-second timer on it. Hold your zip wing on. Press and hold the on-off button on top of the fuselage for 1 second until the motor starts running. Press again will stop the motor. Hold the plane at arm's length, then launch. The plane will launch the plane gently by pushing it into the wind and letting go. Propeller will spin for approximately 10 seconds, then turn off. I'm a bit worried about how far it will go, because 10 seconds can give you quite a flight. I think before I put it together, I'll try some batteries in it, so I get an idea of what 10 seconds is like. Wilco high performance alkaline batteries. Cost me £2. £2. I'm not 100% sure I want to try it here. We're at Eastville Park again. There is quite a large grass area over there, but as I say, 10 seconds is quite a while. So hold it for 1 second. Press it again, that stops it. And press it again. That should have got it going again. Did I misread that? Let's read that again. Hold it for 1 second or until the motor starts running. Pressing again will stop the motor. I think the idea is, yeah, I thought you stopped it and then started it again, but I think you press it till it starts going and then throw it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Okay. Well, push that in there. Push that in there. Okay, we've got a very tiny bit of tip dihedral, and the tail is tilted that way. Is it adjustable? So it should circle. That's going to fit in there. Well, there we are. Well, let's go and find out what happens.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.